it's there. It's coming back.
I'm not filming. I'm just gonna.
Oh.
Just want to stand and enjoy it.
Yeah, you stand and enjoy.
There's just a bit fine.
You can see it, so there. I'm going to stand there. Oh yeah, I'm going to film it, but you enjoy the moment. If you want to film, or you want some, whatever you call it, yes, come this way. Oh, it's actually so pretty. Oh, she's adorable. Wow. Hey. Oh, they're so pretty. So I posted on YouTube saying let's go plane spotting. Oh, they're turning around. Oh, I feel Lancaster. I got a Max. 1 sec. That's all I know. No. Move your head out the way, monkey.
Where's the Lancaster?
I think that's gone in now. Back up to Lancaster.
What if they were
Oh. Oh yeah, I know. These planes, if it wasn't for these buddies, we wouldn't be here right now, would we? Oh look, one of the wings has touched the planet.